Hello everyone, I welcome you all to today's session. I am Shail and I am here to tell you the difference between an antigen and an immunogen. Antigens are the molecules which can bind with the B cells and T cells receptors, but they cannot induce them to react. That is, upon binding with the B cell receptors, they cannot force them to produce antibodies or to produce memory B cells. Similarly, upon binding with T cells, they cannot induce the T cells to divide to form effector T cells and memory T cells. They can just interact or they can just bind with the receptors. They cannot induce them to react, that is B cells and T cells. But they can bind with the final products. So they can bind with the receptors and can bind with the final products. Final products of the immune system, that is, an antigen can bind with the antibody, but it cannot induce B cell to produce an antibody. Whereas immunogens can bind, can induce to produce the results, that is B cells can produce antibodies and T cells can produce effector T cells and memory T cells. Thank you for watching.